Welcome back, guys. And in your Samsung phone, if you are placing your phone into charging and just you are inserting this just like that here, one sound and vibration is coming. If in your phone that is not coming, then what will you do? I'm going to tell in this video. So if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So for this has to come, what you need to do, just go to the setting and then go to the sound and vibration and come down here, system sound and vibration control. Go there, and in the sound section there is one option, charging. It should be deactivated, and this in the vibration section charging is also there. This should also be deactivated. So now just come out, and now you will just put it out and put it in for charging. See, nothing has come, neither the phone neither we hear any sound nor it vibrates. So this is what you need to do to hear the charging sound and vibration. If you do not want to hear, then just tap those settings off. That is what I wanted to tell you in this video. So if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this. Thank you very much.